Hindi na lang ako sasali para at least hindi ako natalo. Char! Eme lang. We know that sa mata, sa puso at kaluluwa ng lahat ng nanood ng season niya, siya yung tunay na nanalo.
Satisfied ako sa mga nangyari. So that's goddessification.
Ano yan? Ito yung drag. Diba nagsisimba ka, nagdadamit ka. Ganun lang, nagdadamit lang din kami, ganito. Ganyan. For me, parang ganun ko lang siya explain. Bihis-bihisan, laro-laruan muna. Gumaganong atake para mas madaling mag-gets ni Lola. Tapos parang, ang ganda mo naman.
Lola. Grandmother. Drag is an art form that is all about DIY. Do it yourselves. You do your own makeup, hair. Kasi baka Englishera yung Lola. Kausap ko eh. Iba, ano namang language yung Lola mo? Nagtagalog na siya.
Spirit of the glass. Lola, are you here? Yes! Lola, are you here? Yes! Ganun. Language na madaling i-digest. So, sabihin ko sa kanya, parang, alam mo ba yung, syempre alam mo yung mga movies, di ba? Yung mga napapanood mo sa TV, alam mo yung music, alam mo yung mga painting, ganyan. Sila ay mga artistic expression ng mga tao na tinatawag mong artists. Kaming mga drag queens, parang ganun din kami. Artists din kami. Ang drag ay talagang pagpapakita lang ng saloobin ng tao. And it might be confusing sa inyo dahil lalaki, babae, gano'n. Pero honestly, it's just damit lang yan, wig lang yan, makeup yan. It's just an artistic expression. Naintindihan mo lang? Yes! Gumalaw sa yes yung Hindi na lang ako sasali para at least hindi ako natalo. So mamaloob ko na hindi ko nakuha yung 1 million. Totoo, ang laki na nagastos ko, bakla. Tsaka ang dami ko magagawa sa 1 million. Napakahirap ko tao, doy. Ako kasi, totoo lang, pera-pera talaga, ate. Like, kaya ko namang maging drag supreme of my own. Kailangan ko po pera para magawa yung mga gusto kong gawin. Char! Eme lang. Kaming top 3, lahat kami, deserving naman kami. Wala naman, okay naman ako sa run ko. Like, kaya rin naman, kung babaguhin ko pa yun, baka mas lalong tsumaka, ate, kaya rin na yan.
Performance-wise, satisfied ako sa mga nangyari. So that's goddessification. Goddessification is my ability to shapeshift to my highest self.
I think I'll just do the same thing that I did for Drag Race Philippines. Kasi feeling ko, Drag Race Philippines Season 1, kasi feeling ko, before you even think of representing an entire country, dapat alam mo munang i-represent kung sino ka as a person. I think it will be very exciting, taking into consideration the growth that I've had since Season 1 to whatever that will be. It will be very exciting to see another form of evolution of how I am, not just as an artist, but as a person. Ang dami ko na natutunan, ang dami ko na mga taong nakilala. At ngayon, alam ko na bawat labas ko, merong nanonood, you create a ripple of impact somewhere.
Yes, and ako yun.
Tama, diba? For me, it depends kung ano yung definition mo kasi ng panalo. I would bravely say that Marina Summers has taken over the world. Without the crown, but we know that sa mata, sa puso at kaluluwa ng lahat ng nanood ng season niya, siya yung tunay na nanalo. That is, for me, that is the ultimate win. The crown is just like, it's just a title. Pero yung respeto ng tao, hindi yun basta-basta napapanalunan.
Pwede bang lahat kami?
Tayo na lang tatlo, di ba? Ourselves. Di ba?
Sa atin tatlo lang.
I think Miss Jade Saw should be seen by the world because of how twisted and brilliant her mind is. Na akala ng mga tao, minamaliit nila yung utak ni Jade Saw when in fact, she is so smart, she is so creative. Si Mrs. Tan naman is also very grunge and very smart, very political, hindi takot magsalita. And this is the kind of drag na hindi natin lagi nakikita. Hindi lahat ng drag queen is kailangang mag-split. There are drag queens who tell stories, who use their art form. Yung drag is political. It's always a very good thing to be seen on a global stage.
Ako dami ko experiences ng discrimination personally. Kasi masyado akong maganda. Wow. Charot. Hindi, pero totoo yon. Kasi, imagine mo ate, kapag nakadraga ka, or kahit hindi nga nakadraga yung parang loud and fabulous, like super, wala lang, gusto mo lang magdamit ng GV ka. Tapos paglabas mo, may dadaan na truck. Bakla. Nangyayari pa rin yan, te. Nangyayari lang sa akin yan ng isang araw. Ganong levels. Or parang, kahit hindi nga i-catcall, kahit yung tingin pa lang na manliliit ka dun sa mga tingin nila. Minsan kasi, hindi lang yung words yung nakakasakit kahit yung tingin.
I still experience discrimination by being called sir. May times na nagka-cross siya ng line kasi sinasadya na. And doon ako nagtitake ng action kasi I need to. Kasi kung hindi ako magtitake ng action, sino gagawa?
I is one of the lucky few people I think in the community that has not I could not think of a memory na talagang nag-scar sa akin for life. But I hear stories like these. Stories na as simple as having the basic right to relieve yourself in a public space.
I would like to be seen as a human being. A human being that tells stories and has stories to tell. A human being na, alam mo yon, nagmamahal, nasasaktan, natatakot, umiiyak, tumatawa. Tao. Kasi, despite all this, kahit mukha akong baklang alien, at the end of the day, tao pa rin yung gumagawa nito.
I wanna be seen from everybody's point of view because I wanna see myself too, which is I am you, you are me, and we are all one with it.
In my lifetime. Now, I want to be seen as someone that used everything within me to serve a higher purpose. I want to be seen simply as someone who truly cared. And I want to be seen as mother.
Be seen, be seen.